This lesson is from the 7th grade Houghton Mifflin English book. It is on active and passive voice, and it coordinates with pages 139 to 141 in the student textbook. A verb is an active voice when its subject is the doer of the action. Our group photographed many wild animals. Group photographed. A verb in the passive voice is when the subject is the receiver of the action. Many wild animals were photographed by our group. To tell us something is passive, you'll have a form of be with the past tense of a verb, and you can either add by to it or it'll already have by in it, and then you'll know that it's passive. So let's try some. We watched a movie about giraffes in Africa yesterday. Watched. There's no form of be there, so this has to be active voice. If I was going to make this passive, I would say a movie about giraffes in Africa was watched by us yesterday. A giraffe is protected by the color pattern of its coat. Is a form of be, protected is past tense, and I have the word by. That is passive. If I was going to make it active, I would say the color pattern of its coat protects the giraffe. White lines divide the yellowish-brown coat into spots. No form of be here, so it has to be active. If I was going to make it passive, I would say the yellowish-brown coat is divided into spots by white lines. And finally, against leafy trees, the giraffe is hidden by this pattern. Is a form of be, hidden is past tense, by is part of the passive voice, so it is a passive voice verb. When to make it active, you use the word after by as the subject. So this pattern hides the giraffe against leafy trees. Okay. So the elephant uses its trunk for a variety of purposes, including eating and drinking. That is active. Its trunk carries food and water to the elephant's mouth. Active. There's no form of be here. In order to survive, half a ton of food per day is needed by an adult elephant. I have the form of be, I have ed, I have by. That makes it passive. A fully grown adult drinks 50 gallons of water each and every day. No form of be, makes it active.